Want to live in Folsom, and is having covered RV boat parking a must-have for your dream home? Well, then this Broadstone beauty is it. Welcome to 1281 Hartley Way, 1,434 square feet of absolute charm. This pristine beauty has hardwood floors, volume ceilings, and an open floor plan that seamlessly connects the living room, dining room, and the kitchen. Spacious, the primary suite opens to the Lush yard, and the ensuite with soaking tub is perfect to relax and unwind. Truly a haven, this backyard has plenty of room to relax and play. When you live close to Folsom Lake, having 24 feet of covered RV and boat parking is truly a find. Located close to shopping, schools, the walking trails, and parks, this gem is rare. Come check out the open house this weekend.